Kids, hope you all are doing well. Today we start chapter noun and types of noun of your English grammar book. Before teaching noun, I'll tell you what are parts of speech. Sentences are made up of different words. These words are of different types and have different function. We categorize these words into 8 parts of speech. First is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now I'll explain you all parts of speech one by one with the help of example. First is noun. A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Example, Radhika is a girl. Here Radhika and girl are name of person. So they are noun. The dog is barking. Here dog is a name of animal. So it is a noun. Next is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in a place of noun. Example, he is playing cricket. They are going to school. Here he and they are pronoun. Next is verb. Doing words are called verb. Example, Meera is singing a song and Rahul is sleeping. Here singing and sleeping are verb. Next is adjective. Describing words are called adjective. Example, Myra is wearing a beautiful dress. Here word beautiful is adjective. Next is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Example, the baby slept soundly. Here word soundly is a adverb. The children will play indoor. Here indoor is a adverb. Next is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. Example, the book is on a table. Here word on is showing relationship between book and table. So it is a preposition. Next is conjunction. Connected word or joining words are called conjunction. Conjunction are used to join two words, phrases or sentence. I bought a pen and pencil from the market. He is 70 years old but very active. Here words and but are conjunction. They are joining two sentences. Next is interjection. Interjection are words used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions such as joy, sadness, wonder, pain, shock, praise, irritation or helplessness. They are always written by exclamatory marks. Example, hooray, a team has won the quiz. Children, everything around us are identified with different names. Let's look at the picture. Boy, woman, teacher, nurse. All these are name of people. School, airport, station, market. They are name of places. Lion, dog, snake, sparrow. They are name of animals. Book, table, shirt, bat. They are name of thing. So children, noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing, or naming words are known as nouns. Children, I hope you have understood what are noun. Let's solve the exercise. Say whether the following nouns are person, place, animal or thing. Cat, boy, house, doctor, king, shoes, flower, lion, butterfly, computer, park, hospital. First is cat. Cat is the name of animal. Boy. Boy is name of person. House is the name of place. Doctor is the name of person. King is person. Shoes is thing. Flower is thing. Lion is a name of animal. Butterfly is also a name of animal. Computer is a name of thing. Park and hospital are name of places. There are two basic types of noun. Common noun, proper noun. Common noun is the general name of person, place, animal or thing. Example, he is a clown. In this sentence, we are talking about a clown. Clown is the general name of a person. So it is a common noun. He lives in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about city, and city is a general name of place. So it is a common noun. It is his dog. In this sentence, we are talking about a dog, and dog is a general name of animal. So it is also a common noun. This is a pastry. In this sentence, we are talking about pastry, and pastry is a general name of thing. So it is also a common noun. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of title. Next type of noun is proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name or particular name given to a person, place, animal or thing. We always begin a proper noun with a capital letter. Example, John the clown entertained people in circus. In this sentence, we are talking about the clown whose special name is John. So, it is a proper noun. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about a city whose special name is Mumbai. His dog name is Pluto. In this sentence, we are talking about a dog whose special name is Pluto. So, it is a proper noun. So, children, a common noun is the general name of a person, place, animal or thing, whereas a proper noun is the specific name of person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun is always capitalized in a sentence. Some more examples of common noun are man, mountain, building, dog, state, newspaper, book, monument, park. And some more example of proper noun are Abraham Lincoln, Mount Everest, White House, Spot, Texas, New York Times, Frindle, Washington Monument and Heritage Park. All these are example of proper noun. Children, now we will do exercise of common noun and proper noun. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun. First sentence is Rita is wearing a beautiful frock. Here Rita is a specific name of a person. So it is a proper noun. And frog is the general name of a thing. And it is a common noun. So we will circle Rita and underline frog. Next is my dog name is Bruno. Here dog is the general name of animal. So it is a common noun and we will underline it. And Bruno is a specific name of a dog and it is a proper noun. We will circle Bruno. Next is my cousin lives in England. Here cousin is a general name of a person. It is a common noun. We will underline it. And England is the specific name of a place. It is a proper noun. We will circle it. Next is Rohan is having a red shirt. Here Rohan is a specific name of a person. It is a proper noun. We will circle it. And shirt is a general name of a thing. It is a common noun. We will underline it. Last is Latika wants to go to market. Here Latika is a specific name of a person. It is a proper noun. We will circle it. And market is a general name of a place. It is a common noun. We will underline it. Children, I hope you might have understood what are nouns, common noun and proper noun. There are some assignment for you. Try to solve it. Thank you.